What? First try!
Oh. So I'm turning it this way.
No, the other way.
Oh.
Ah! All right, guys, we are very excited to be here today at the old spot. My name is Aaron Cairo, and I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and this here is
Alec.
O'Grady.
Yeah.
And we're doing a series with Alec. I don't know if you saw the first video, but it was something like, do a kickflip in an hour, win $10,000. And I did that video because I wanted to show people, don't start at the kickflip. Start at the Ollie. But in that video, he did a pretty good Ollie. Really what we need to do, like I just want to explain the whole thing. If I was actually teaching you, which I'm going to actually teach you, I would probably make you just work on the Ollie for a little bit. But technically you did do the Ollie. So the next trick in this sequence is a frontside 180. So we're gonna do a new challenge for the frontside 180 today, and we're gonna see if Mr. Alec here can do that.
Okay.
So I'm glad to hear that you've been practicing.
A little bit. A little bit.
That last video was what, like 2 weeks ago at this point?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been 2 weeks, and how many times have you skated in the 2 weeks?
I've tried to skate at least every day.
No, you have
Yes,
not.
I have. No, actually.
I swear he skated
practice.
once.
No, practice. Like I practice the Ollie at least, I don't know, probably like 15 minutes for a day.
He sent me a video of him doing an Ollie, and I was like, wow, well done. And inside of my head, I was thinking, worst Ollie I've ever seen.
Yeah, I know.
It was literally like this.
He has so
this
excited
issue
though.
where he can't push his front foot forward. No, it's good. You did great. You did great, and you're doing great. Before I throw you into the pit that is a frontside 180, I want you to work on your Ollie a little bit.
Okay.
We're gonna even start it from earlier than that. Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. Let's just ride around a little bit.
Okay.
I'm really making these videos for you guys to learn too, so I hope you are. So ready?
Yeah.
Get your ride on. Dang, this boy goes! Look at him! The thing that I like about Alec is he just goes for it. Like a baby giraffe on an ice skating rink. Just kidding. Get comfortable. So my best advice I can give to new skaters is do this a lot. Skate to the store, skate to your house, skate to school, skate to Walmart, skate to Costco, skate to the Braille house. Just skate everywhere. Okay, so skating and just pushing around is, you feel pretty comfortable with.
Yeah, except the penny board is like half this size.
Right.
So it feels, I don't know, turning is weird a little.
Okay, I feel like a lot of people learn how to skate like that.
Yeah.
Great. So let's do some Ollies.
Okay. Good.
You can do it standing still, you can do it with a little bit of speed. Your oyster is the world. Take it down, boo. What? First try! This boy goes!
Except I stepped off.
That was good though. I expected you to do like...
Okay, let's try that again though.
Do it again. Okay, basically did a 180 right there. The other thing that I was thinking is that he could Ollie a board like that. We'll give him a special prize. Okay. It's really important to learn the tricks in the proper order, and it's really important to get them down well, because really, all you're doing when you learn more tricks is you're just adding something new to the same trick. Look, an Ollie. Now you're gonna turn your head and shoulders and do a 180. It's no different, just an added piece. So drag up, push forward, drag up, push forward.
Okay.
Okay, the only one thing I wanna change is you really should be like this. Not, what happened?
I lost balance!
Not with your toe, but with this part of your shoe right there. See the difference?
Yeah.
There we go.
That seems a lot more comfortable. I'm gonna make Aaron rage quit.
Oh! Skateboarding Made Simple does work.
Yeah.
Do it again and push your foot more forward. Consistency is key here. I forgot what the old spot is like. It's like being on the surface of the sun while being punched in the face by little goblins.
Yeah, I need a hat.
Description, but I love that. That's perfect.
Push your foot forward. Okay. Kick. Kick me. With you're kind of going back to that toe thing. Yeah. Remember, you're like, wow, it feels more comfortable.
Yeah.
Do the more comfortable situation. Yeah, dude.
Like that?
Yeah. You even got better shoes today. Dennis Busenit's one of my favorite skaters of all time. Do an Ollie. Okay, so everybody remembers being there. We've all been there. I've been there. You've been there.
I'm still here.
Give it an Ollie, just give it an Ollie. The thing you gotta understand about skateboarding is it's muscle memory. Like your feet are normally like used to moving like this or whatever. They're not totally used to moving like this. That's a new thing for most people's feet. So you have to like practice a lot to groove your muscles into that muscle memory. Okay, let's practice a little bit more.
Okay.
And then you're going frontside 180. Okay, we're gonna take that. I love his landing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I gotta find one thing. Here, you keep practicing, I'll be right back. Okay, Alec O'Grady, here is the challenge. 30 minutes to land. Yeah, I'll give you two things. One is just an Ollie over this deck. That's it. Just boom, Ollie over it.
Okay.
$100. Second is a frontside 180.
Over that?
No, just on flat, standing still, moving, whatever you want. All you gotta do is make the board rotate a 180. I would give it to you at like a 160, 150 maybe even. Depends on how good it is. 180 and Ollie over the board. 100 each. 100 to Ollie the board, 100 to do the frontside 180. 30-minute time limit. Don't stress out. If you don't land this, the next time it's gonna be a negative thing. It's gonna be like 30 minutes, and if you don't land it, 12 pies to the face.
Jesus. Okay.
Set a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, your time.
Start! He's so stressed out. Oh my gosh, he's got that. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You got it. Oh! Lean forward more. Like be more forward. And it's also gonna help your foot push forward.
Yeah.
Okay. Pop way earlier. Way earlier. I'm gonna put it further back, yeah.
Yeah.
Like Ollie, like you're trying to Ollie from here.
Okay.
You got the speed, you got the pop, you just need to get the timing.
Okay.
You guys think he's got this? Leave it in the comments below.
My body went forward. The board didn't.
If you didn't forget to do an Ollie there, you would have done it.
Oh, that's what I have to do?
Yeah, do an Ollie.
Okay.
Oh! Let's go!
Oh my
God. Okay, now you know what it feels like to roll away.
Yeah, that
now
felt
just
good.
do the Ollie. Leave it in the comments below if I should be coaching the Olympic skateboard team in 2020. Let's go. Come on, O'Grady. That would have counted, right? He Ollied it. That would have counted, O'Grady. Oh, boy, let's go! Ow. That actually really hurt. That was good.
Wait, did that?
$100 down. Well done. Frontside 180. The same thing, only now that you're dragging your front foot up, you gotta turn your upper body.
So I'm turning it this way.
No, the other way.
Oh, man.
It's the hardest thing for new skaters to get, front side versus backside.
Also, I mean, for me, something's mixed up because I think heel flips are kick flips and front side is backside.
You got a lot going on. Go. That's
So,
all the
this
instruction
way?
you get. Yes, that way. Almost there.
How much time do I have?
You have 20 minutes and 44 seconds. You're golden. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Turn them front side. Go. Dude, that was really close to you getting credit carded. Yeah, boy. Let's go. That's close. It's actually quite close. There it is! Try it rolling. I think it's easier. Dude, land that!
Can I have your hat?
If you land it. Oh. You needed that. You needed
true.
that. That is the worst case scenario of what's going to happen. You fell. Okay, are you still alive?
Yeah?
You made it through?
Yeah?
You're still here?
Yeah.
Okay, now land on the one, and then slam it. Dude! Did not do that again! You can do it, O'Grady! Like a drill sergeant. Oh! Leave your feet on! That was it! You got 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Land your feet on there.
Okay, that was the worst thing that could have happened.
Body!
You're good. That wasn't that bad, right?
You're gonna have a couple bodies. You're fine.
Okay.
Just bodies. You have 3 minutes and 6 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. At least he's committing. Okay, you got this. Keep your feet on.
Okay.
16, 15, 14, 13. Oh, right here, okay.
Come on!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One more!
Oh! O'Grady, you did it. 2 to make it true. 3 tries. Give me a really good 180.
Okay.
Let's go! Good. Now do one where you pop. Now put that back foot in the pocket. Give me a good scooper-rooney 180. Dude, leave your foot on. You got it, 100%. 100% you got it. Let's go! Woo! Touchdown! Dude, that was good. Yeah, you did a 180.
Felt good.
It's like your second day of skating.
Yeah.
Ever.
Ever. Really. Wow.
No, you did actually really good. Okay, so this is the part where you explain to those people what you went through and how whatever was told to you or whatever happened that helped you so they can learn.
Just Aaron throwing me into it, that was actually incredibly helpful.
So you think the album of motivational singing from me would be a good idea?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
I'll buy it.
Good, we'll do that.
Yeah. Putting a time limit on it, and I never thought that I'd be able to ollie that, even though it's nothing, but
It's true. It's
Like-
skateboarding is so mental, I swear.
yeah. And then with the 180, you telling me to bend my knees, even though I don't know if I actually did it, but
Yeah.
you just
I
threw
think you
me
did.
into it, and
Yeah.
that's what, yeah.
So
that's
what
helped.
can they do at home? I guess they could set a timer. I guess they could just make themselves
Set a
do it. Just
timer.
say, I have 30 minutes to do this, that's it.
Yeah, set a timer, push yourself, have a friend or a parent or someone yell at you. That helps a lot.
Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah, probably not, but buy his album. That'll help.
It'll just be me. There'll be like a death metal song. You can land it! But well done. Well done. That was really, really good. Yeah, if you guys want to learn how to skateboard, brailleskateboarding.com will help you. We have tons of tutorials on there. Skateboarding Made Simple is an incredible resource. It is one that I put blood, sweat, and tears into. And yeah, the whole idea with it is that you're progressing all the time. There's never like, okay, now just put it all together. It's not like that. It's like you can practice, practice, practice. And the more you practice, the more it makes perfect.
Yeah.
Good, I hope you guys enjoy this series. We're gonna keep going. In the first video I asked you, and a lot of comments said, yes, please take Alec through all of the basic tricks. So we're going to do that, and if you would like to see more, please give this video a thumbs up and leave it in the comments below that you would like to see more. Check out all those other videos right there, yes, they're right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you! These are the videos for you to learn how to skateboard. Let's go, Braille Army. It's your time.